Okay, today's lesson is all about factoring polynomials with sum and difference of two cubes pattern. At the end of our lesson, you students should be able to factor polynomials with sum and difference of two cubes pattern. So ang content sa atong lesson, still we are in factoring polynomials. Bilog ni nga module 1, still in factoring polynomials. Okay? So, antes kita mag-factor sang 2 cubes pattern, so mayara kita sa mga pre-lessons nga dapat naton balikan. So, first we have the cubes of numbers and variables. Then, operations on sign numbers. So, i-recall naton ang mga cube numbers kag cube variables. Paano kakambal ang isa ka number is a cube kag ang isa ka variable is a cube. And at the same time, recall taman ang mga rules naton kung paano mag-add, mag-subtract, mag-multiply, kag mag-divide sa mga integers. So I have here 5 examples of 2 cubes pattern. So kung ma-notice ninyo, ang mga first kag ang mga second terms are cube. Tanan sila cube ni. Pero classify naton kung diin diri sila ang mga sum kag ang difference. So mabalan nyo man akong sum of 2 cubes kay ang process ng gamit natin is plus, di ba? Di ba? Baka sum is the result if you add two numbers. Difference is the result if you subtract two numbers. Okay? So numbers 1, 2, and 5, examples ini sila sang sum of 2 cubes pattern. Then numbers 3 and 4 are examples of difference of 2 cubes pattern. Okay na? So nakita yun na ang diferensya sa duwa ka klase sang cube pattern. For example, we have x cubed plus y cubed. Okay, there's a cube pattern on the variables. Check. So ang x cubed naton kag ang y cubed are cubes. Then it's the sum of two cubes. Sum siya kaya ang gamit naton nga operation is plus. Okay? Ang pattern natin nga gamiton, if it's the sum of two cubes, amo sini. So you have x cubed plus y cubed is equal to quantity of x plus y times quantity x squared minus xy plus y squared. So investigate na ha, para mas maintindihan nyo. So kung manotice niyo ang first parenthesis, sa first parenthesis natin, sa right side na ha, sa right side. Okay, so sa right side we have two parentheses, ang isa gamay, ang isa dako. So sa gamay nga parenthesis, x is the cube root of x cube and y is the cube root of y cube. Now sa dako naman nga parenthesis, kung manotice niyo, ang first term x squared is the square of x. The second term is minus the product of cube roots, and sa third term the square of y is y squared. Okay, yan. So example, we have x cubed plus 27. So this time ang first term natin is a variable, is a variable and it's a cube, while the second term here is a cube number and it's the sum of two cubes. So gamitan natin sang pattern. Okay? Kagtagaan nakamudan sa idea kung paano mag-factor out sang ining cube. So we have x plus 3 times quantity x squared minus 3x plus 9. So explain natin kung nga nagamos na. So first we're going to write down two empty parentheses, ang isa gamay, ang isa dako, and then sa sulod sang parentheses, sa sulod sang gamay nga parentheses, butangan natin sang plus sign. Sa sulod naman niya sang dako nga parentheses, duwa ka sign gamiton naton. So first we have negative and then positive. Okay? So ano ibutang natin sa first parentheses? So amo ini sila ang mga cube roots sang given nga perfect cube. So we have the first term, ang blank is the cube root of x cube. Ano ang cube root sang x cube? Di ba x? Okay? Kag wait. Makadota na sa dako nga parentheses. Okay, so sa dako naman nga parenthesis, the first term is the square of x, the second term is the product of cube roots, and the third term is the square of 3, or the square of, ang cube roots ng 27 is 3. Okay? So sa first term, balik kita sa first term, blank is the cube root of x cube. So ano ang cube roots ng x cube? Diba x? Okay, so munang ibutang natin sa sulod sa parenthesis. And blank is the cube root of 27. Anong cube root ng 27? Diba 3? Okay, so munang ibutang natin sa sulod sa gamay nga parenthesis. Then sa dako nga parenthesis, the square of x is x squared. The product of the cube roots, kung i-multiply natin ng x kagang 3, the result is 3x. Okay? And plus the square of 3, which is equal to 9. So we have here another example. We have x cubed minus y cubed. There's a cube pattern on variables. Check. And it's the difference of two cubes. So kung mag-difference naman sang duha ka cube, amo ning gamiton natin nga pattern. So same lang guys. Kung manotice nyo, same lang ang pattern natin. Ang naglain lang dira is ang ilang sign. Okay? So the quantity cube of x minus cube of y is equal to quantity of x minus y times quantity of x squared plus xy plus y squared. We have x cubed minus y cubed is equal to quantity x minus y. And x is the cube root of x cubed and y is the cube root of y cubed. So second parenthesis, you have the square of x, so x squared. xy is the result if you multiply the cube roots, and y squared is the square of y. Okay? Now, example, we have x cubed minus 8. There's a cube pattern on our variable. Check. Our number is a perfect cube. Check. And it's the difference of two cubes. Check. So, gamitan natin sa pattern. So, we have, yan, ang muna sa pattern natin guys. Kagtagahan na mga dahil sa hindi ako paano ini mag-factor out. So, the factored form of x cubed minus 8 is equal to x minus 2 times quantity x squared plus 2x plus 4. Yan. So, again, amo sini ang pag-factor out sang x cubed minus 8. So first, masulat kita sang duwa ka parenthesis, ang isa gamay, ang isa dako. Kag check ninyo guys ang sign sa sulod sang parenthesis. Okay na? So sa sulod sang gamay nga parenthesis, we have negative sign. Sa sulod naman sang dako nga parenthesis, we have duwa ka positive sign. Now we get the cube root of x cubed and the cube root of 8. Sa first parenthesis, sa gamay nga parenthesis na siya. For the second parenthesis, you get the square of x plus the product of cube roots sa second term plus the square of 2 sa last term. Okay? Now, blank, salin natin, balik na sa gamay nga parenthesis. What is the cube root of x cubed? X. What is the cube root of 8? Very good, 2. Okay, so the square of x, sa ikaduwata nga parenthesis, the square of x is x squared. Then the product of the cube roots, x times 2 is 2x. Hindi pwede ang x2. Hindi pwede ang x2. So dapat mauna ang numbers sa variable. Okay, so dapat 2x. Then the square of 2. Square of 2 is 4. Very good. Now, in factoring the polynomials with cube pattern, we are going to check the following. Okay, first, if there's a cube pattern in the variable, there's a cube pattern in the number, and if it's the sum of two cubes, so muna yung pattern nga gamiton natin. Tara na. Okay? Okay na guys? O, gani. Butang tayo sa timeline para pwede nyo mabalik-balikan. Now, if it's a difference of two cubes, amo naman niya ang pattern nga gamiton natin. Parehas lang guys, no? Ang naglain lang ang ilang assign. Pero the same pattern. Okay, take note ha. So, as for your exercises, we have your 3. Pwede natin ma-pause ni karon. So, kung mag-upload niya sa video, pwede nyo ma-pause. And then, kung mag-upload niya sa timeline, pwede nyo ma-pause. Kag ipasa ninyo inyong answer sa akon nga. Hindi sa GC, PM. I-send nyo gid sa akon. Okay? Kaya i-check natin kung inyong answer correct. Kay kung mag-submit ka mo sang paper form ninyong assessment o answer ninyo sa mga assessment, correct na, di ba? Okay?